Do you want to know my #1 secret for time management? Coming up next. Hey guys, it's Elizabeth, Countess of Low Carb, and on this episode, I'm going to share with you my #1 secret for time management of how I have run previously a multi-million-dollar business, have a hot husband, have a 4-year-old, foster mentee, lots of fun things going on here. But at first, if you like this video, make sure you smash that like button, make sure you click subscribe, and also sign up down in the description link below for my upcoming free workshop that I have of how to lose 5 pounds or more from sleeping with my 3 sleep hacks. It's a workshop where I'll pour my heart into talking about how to go to sleep quickly, and also my course that I'll have for sale after I do extensive training. Let's dive into today's tips. So your question of the day is, what is your best time management hack? I feel like if we have a good conversation down in the comments below, we'll all learn more from each other. Put those down in the comments, and now let's dive into the content. Talking about my #1 time management hack for getting things done, being more productive, of how to have more time. So secret to time management is an index card. I bet you probably already have one of these in your office if you're in your 30s, 40s, 50s, or more like me. And if you're younger than that, you probably don't even know what this is. It is an index card. And how I came up with this time management hack that has helped me sell millions and millions of dollars worth of one of my businesses and run lots of companies, have employees, contractors, children, husbands, lots of stuff going on, is this simple tool. And it's so easy. If I can do it, you can do it. Basically what I do each night is I get my index card, and the reason why I've picked this size index card as opposed to this size index card or a piece of paper is this is overwhelming. Where's my notebook? I have a notebook, and that's where I do like lists and things like that, but I found it very overwhelming with all that I have to do. Going through that list, I found it less anxiety producing, less anxious when I have my simple index card, and I like hot pink because it's lined, or you could do it on the back, but literally there's only so much you can do in a given day, and putting it on this index card makes it manageable. And I can do anything bite-sized chomps at a time. I can't take these huge leaps, but I can do inch by inch, it's a cinch, by using an index card. So what I do is I have a master list, and then from there of where I'll brain dump everything. And that's usually once a week on a Sunday, so I can start my week fresh. I will brain dump everything, what's coming up with my family, my kid, my hot husband, my businesses, YouTube. What am I going to be doing? What is the most pressing tasks? But I will list all of them. And then from there, I will parcel out each day, knowing that I can refer back to that notebook or just off the top of my head what I have to do. And so it's not really even a schedule, because I do use a Google Calendar in my phone for all of my activities. I used to be a paper girl, but now I've moved totally over to my phone for my calendar. And then from there, I can put on here, oh, I have to go take my kid to swim lessons. Oh, tomorrow I have a pitch that I'm doing for a new business concept that I have with one of my business partners. Like writing all this down. Oh, I need to bring brownies for the upcoming X, Y, and Z. Like things like that need to go onto my index card, and it helps it stay manageable. Now, here's the secret component of the time management part, is doing it the night before. Why do you do it the night before? Is because our brains are meant to come up with solutions while we are sleeping. It's fact, scientific fact. Your brain is like a computer and will work on solutions. Before you go to bed, your brain will think about that, process it, and help you come up with solutions. Why do a lot of people come up with great ideas in the shower in the morning? Because their brain has been working on the solutions. So if you want to brain dump, your mind will be working on some of these solutions. So frequently I will do that, but usually an hour or 2 before bed, so it's not anxiety producing for me. The other time management hack on here is being organized with it. I'm a mom and an entrepreneur, and I don't see a lot of successful entrepreneur moms of young children out there. Chalene Johnson's a great example of that, though, of putting my kid first and then having my businesses come second. But how do you do that? It's being really freaking organized is what I found. That if I am not organized with this, I will get very frustrated and anxious from it. I'm not getting things done, I'm feeling not productive. And this is my simple tool, my simple hack to combat that, is literally by having it on here on my index card. Maybe you're a dude watching this video and you're checking it out. Same thing. You have probably a lot of enriched things in your life, but I'm talking to the ladies here too. In terms of time management, I will pull out my card throughout the day. This can fit in your pocket, which is why it's so good. You just fold it, put it into your pocket, put it in your pocketbook. You can take a photo of it on your phone if you wanted to, but I like to tactilely carry this around. You can cross through things. Put down in the comments below. Are you a cross througher? Do you cross through things on your list? This time management hack makes it really simple to be productive, right? And I'm not talking about huge leaps, huge bounds, huge broad strokes, although I do love those. I'm talking about success is found in our daily routine. And if I am doing this 5 days out of 7, I get more stuff done. It's true. It literally buys me back an extra 5 hours of work productivity, knowing exactly what I'm going to be doing. I'm laser focused in on my brain dump, but it's manageable. It's manageable. It's not a huge paper list. Like, I don't know about y'all, but when I look at these huge lists, I'm like, oh my gosh, like it overwhelms me. But this does not overwhelm me. So your time management hack is this. Go get a piece of paper and a pencil. I know it's 1987 around here. We're getting a piece of paper and a pencil. Go get a piece of paper and a pencil, or some I have cute pens that I like to use too. The Bic ones, I'll put my favorite pens down below. They're like $1. And then I just simply write out what I have to do. And then I can refer to it. It's in my pocket. It makes it really, really simple. But also the back part of this, if you are doing keto and low carb like I have to, usually what I talk about on this channel, the back side, you can have your meals sorted. So your food is already sorted for the day and you can be productive with that too. It takes the emotion out of the equation of, oh, I know what I'm going to eat. It helps me with my weight loss journey, knowing exactly what I'm going to have, what I can and what I can't have. Success is found within the boundaries. So this is my #1 time management hack. Shh, don't tell anybody. Just kidding. If you want to share this video with a friend who's also in business or who simply wants to be more productive, I had a teacher write me the other day and say how thankful she was about my productivity hack from my other video talking about my business, which I'll link down below, that we all have life regardless, children, no children, partner, no partner, job, no job, whatever, school, if you're a student. This hack works universally, that we can all do this. So if you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button. Make sure you click subscribe if you want to see business stuff, weight loss stuff, all things keto and fasting, and also sign up for my upcoming workshop, how to lose 5 pounds or more from sleeping. I will give you my 3 sleep hacks in depth. I'm going to be doing a ton of training on that, and at the end I'll be talking about my upcoming sleep course, but the first part will be totally free in-depth training, my gift to the Countess of Low Carb community, because I know a lot of you guys have sleep problems, and I'm a recovering sleep. I used to have sleep problems, but I don't anymore, so I want to share those hacks with you too. So let's make it a powerful day. If you're interested in my progress, not perfection gear, that'll be down in the description below too. Bye guys, make it a powerful day.